Welcome to our tutorial on how to delete all posts you've shared by date on Instagram on PC with the new update. Follow these simple steps to clean up your profile and remove unwanted content. First, log into your Instagram account on your PC. Once logged in, navigate to the bottom left corner and click on the More icon or the three dots. Next, click on Your Activity. This will take you to the Photos and Videos section, where you can see all the posts you have shared. Click on the Posts section and then on Sort and Filter. Here, you can enter the start date and end date for the period of posts you want to delete. This will help you narrow down the selection and make it easier to identify the posts you want to remove. After entering the date range, click on Apply. This will refresh the page and show you the posts within the specified period. Now, click on Select and choose all the posts you want to delete. You can select multiple posts at once to speed up the process. Once you have selected all the posts, click on Delete. You will be prompted to confirm this action, so make sure you are certain before proceeding. And that's it. You have successfully deleted all the posts you've shared by date on Instagram using your PC. Keep your profile clean and clutter-free with this simple method. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. Happy cleaning!